Living here in Stonebridge Estates means you are in close proximity to Sammamish's most popular destinations. With nearby retail centers like the Sammamish Commons and Sammamish Village, the location provides many options for shopping and dining. Additionally, Marymore Park, Lake Sammamish, and the Sammamish Plateau Trail offer endless opportunities for outdoor recreation.
With just 3 properties left to live in luxury, this is your unique opportunity to purchase your dream home.
The Greenville floor plan is designed with today's modern family in mind. The open concept living room and kitchen are perfect for hosting large gatherings. The nearby guest suite and den provide flexible living arrangements.
The covered outdoor patio is a wonderful place to enjoy year-round fresh air and stay warm on cool evenings. Upstairs, the primary bedroom and bathroom offer a luxurious retreat from the hustle and bustle of the day. The additional bedrooms and bonus room offer endless options for customization and relaxation. Fine craftsmanship can be found throughout these homes. The rich decor wainscoting and crown molding add a touch of elegance. From the skillfully selected tiles to the polished quartz countertops to the wide plank engineered flooring, these homes offer an elevated living experience.
Stop by Stonebridge Estates Saturday and Sunday from 12 to 5 and see for yourself the fine craftsmanship of these beautiful homes.